Nagsaba ba? Hello, Duke.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm so happy.
You're very happy. Why are you happy, Duke?
I happy because I went to school.
Ah, you're happy because you went to school today. What did you do to school today, honey? I mean, what did you do at school today?
Hmm.
You play game? What did you do?
I play again.
And then you studied, you answered activities, and a lot more, right? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, have you eaten dinner already? Have you already
Yes, I
eaten
eat.
dinner? Oh,
Yes.
yes. Okay. And
I
what
eat.
have mm,
I eat a meat.
you've eaten meat? Yeah? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. What kind of meat? Is it chicken meat? Chicken meat?
No, it's meat. It's pig
Pig
meat.
meat, I see. Okay, me, honey, I've eaten fish. Yeah, fish soup and fried fish. Okay, and how's the weather today in your place? Doc, how is the weather?
Uh, is it cloudy today?
Oh, it is cloudy today. I see, honey. All right, and are you ready for our class, Doc?
Yes,
Are
I'm
you ready?
ready.
Yes, you say yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay, now we're going to continue with the material where we left last time. Okay. All right. Can you see teacher's screen now? Can you see it now? Can you see teacher's screen?
Is the is the lamp on the bookcase? No. Yes, it is.
Very good. Next.
Is the sofa next to the armchair? No, it isn't.
Next.
Is the TV in in the cupboard? Yes, it is.
Okay, so here are the vocabularies that you have learned last time, honey. The first one is, what's the first one?
For
The voc-
today lesson, the vocabularies I learned about are a sofa, a
Mm-hmm.
lamp,
Mm-hmm.
a cupboard, a
Okay,
mirror.
very good. Now, how about the structures that you've learned last time, honey? What are the structures that you've learned last time?
For today's lesson, the structure I learned about or is the sofa next to the cupboard. Yes, it is. Is the lamp next to the cupboard? No, it isn't.
Very good. Okay, so we have here the homework for this one, honey. You're going to practice the vocabularies and the structure and make sentences using them. So we are already done with that part, my dear. Now we're going to have this part right here. This is unit number 3, lesson 5. Okay, Duke? You ready for this
It,
one, Duke?
yes, is the
Yes,
board?
I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay. So let's have the next page. By the end of this lesson, Duke, you will be able to talk about the things in the house and review the prepositions of place and the rooms in the house. So let's have a review. Let's have a review, honey. Let's go on to the third one. I mean, the first one. The first one is, what is this?
I can't see.
You can see?
The kitchen.
It's the kitchen. Next. Next one is?
Where? The bathroom.
This one.
The bedroom.
Okay. This one.
The living room.
This one.
The kitchen.
Okay, the kitchen. That is it. Okay, how about this one, honey? Where is the apple?
The apple is on the table.
Okay, the apple is on the table. Okay, next is the armchair next to the sofa.
No. It
No?
isn't. It
Very good.
isn't.
Where is it? Where is it?
Is the sofa
Where
is
is
next to the bookcase.
the armchair? Okay, is the armchair next to the sofa? Okay, very good, honey. Next one. Is the bed next to the bookcase, Duke?
Yes, it is.
Yes. Next, is the pencil under the school bag?
No, it isn't.
Where is the pencil?
The pencil is in the school bag.
Okay, very good. Is the lamp on the armchair? Is the lamp
No,
on the
it
armchair?
isn't.
Where is the lamp?
No. The lamp is next to the armchair.
Yes, very good. Is the armchair on the is the chair on the table?
No, it isn't.
Where is it?
The chair is behind the table.
Okay, next. Is the mirror under the table?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Okay, next. Let's have now these following new words right here, honey. And we have here these 4 new words that you're going to learn for today. But before that, let's listen, okay? Let's listen and then repeat. Let's have the first one.
A rug.
A rug.
Very good. Honey, do you have a rug? Do you have a
No,
rug? You don't have
I
a rug.
don't have a rug.
You don't have. You say, I don't have a rug.
I don't have a rug.
How about in front of your door, honey? In front of your door. Don't you have a rug in front of your door?
Yes.
In front of. You have? You
No.
have a rug? No, not really. Okay. Okay.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes. What is the rug used for, honey? Why do we need to use a rug? Why? Why do we need to use a rug? Here.
Tại sao
What
chúng
the
ta
rug?
cần dùng thảm?
Is not a water.
Huh?
The fish is not the fish is not the food is not the water.
Ah, I see. Okay, okay. Understand now, honey. I see. Next one, we have here the...
A clock.
A clock.
Do you have a clock at home?
Yes,
Yeah.
I have
Okay.
I have a one clock.
You have one clock. Okay. Do you always use your clock? Do you always use your clock? Ah, how about an alarm clock? Alarm clock, honey.
Đồng hồ báo thức em yêu.
Do you have an alarm clock?
No.
Oh no, you don't use an alarm? You don't use an alarm? Okay. Honey, why do we need to use a clock?
Tại sao chúng ta cần sử dụng?
No.
It's
Clock.
it's a fun time. It's a time. It's a many time.
Yes, you say we use a clock to check
It's-
the time.
To check the
See?
time is for the eat, sleep, many.
Okay, we use a clock to check the time for eating, sleeping, and many more. Can you read this one, honey?
We use a clock to use a clock to check time or eating, sleeping, and many more.
Very good. Okay, let's have the next one. Let's listen to
A
this.
door.
What is
A
this?
door.
A door. Very good, honey. Do you have a door?
Yes, I have.
Okay. You have a door. That is it, honey. Okay. Why do we need... Okay, what is the door used for, honey? The door used for, honey. Why do we need to use a door? Yeah. Or when do we need to use a door? Yeah. Huh? Okay, here. Why do we use a door?
Open and closes.
Very good. Okay. All right. We use a door to
Yes.
To what? Open our
Open and I can
open.
and I can
Okay. To
go
open.
go outside and come
Mm.
in. Go out and come
Mm.
in.
Very good. House or room. Yeah. You say I can also come
I
in
can come in
and come out
and come out
using it.
using it.
Yes. Okay, please read, honey.
We use the door open and closes our house or room. I can also come in and come out using it.
Using it.
Using it.
It. Okay, we have here the word, honey. This word. How do you read this word, honey? Can you read this word? Use.
Use.
Very good. Remember, this one is not use, but use. How about this word? How do you read this?
Using.
Very good. This one is using. Great job, honey. What's the color of your door, honey? The color of my door is pink and white. How about you? What's the color of your door?
My color door is blonde.
My door is brown. You say my door is brown.
No, my door is olive.
Olive. It's olive. I see. Okay, let's have the next one, honey. We have here
A window.
A window.
window. Do you have a lot of window, Doc? Do you have a lot of
Yes.
Ooh.
It's
Here in my room? Yeah, in your room.
there is a window come in the house.
Yes,
It's
honey.
opening.
Honey, I have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 windows in my room. How about you? How many windows do you have?
My house have a 2 window. It's white.
Your house. It's white. Now here, honey, it's actually wood. Yeah, my window is made of a wood. Here.
Cửa sổ của tôi được làm bằng gỗ.
Yeah. Honey, can I go to the toilet? Can you wait for me? Can I go to the toilet? Can you wait for me? Can I go to the toilet?
Bạn đợi tôi nhé. Tôi đi vệ sinh được không?
Yes.
Yes, wait for me. I will run. Wait for me. Thank you so much for waiting, Duke. Okay.
Yes.
Let's go now to reading all of these words. We have the first one. We have
A rock, a clock, a door, and a window.
very good. Okay. So let's have now this one. You're just going to spin, spin, spin. What's for number 2? What's for number 2?
A clock.
Okay. Next.
2. A clock.
3, spin again. 1.
6. 6, 8.
1. What's for number 1? What's that?
A rock. A
Very
rock.
good. 4. What's for number 4?
A door.
Okay. I think let's skip that one, honey. Okay. You are now going to find which one is the missing one, honey, okay? You're going to say the missing one is blah, blah, blah. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's have this one. What's missing here? What is missing here, honey?
The clock is missing.
Okay, let's see. Okay, next one. What's missing here?
The window is missing.
Very good. Next, what's missing here?
The door is missing.
What's missing here?
The rock is missing.
Okay, now you're going to circle, honey. You're going to find the word and encircle. Find a word and encircle. Window, door, rug. Last one.
It's here.
Okay, so you found all of these. Very good. The first one is, what is that?
A
Rock,
window, rock,
clock,
clock,
and
window door.
very good. That is it, honey. Thank you so much, my dear. You did such a great job. Okay, smart boy. Now we are now going to have the structure. Are you ready to listen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now let's have the first one. You have to listen and repeat, honey.
There is a clock in the living room.
There is a clock in the living room.
Very good. Okay, so this will be the structure for tonight, honey. Kindly read.
There is a clock in the living room.
Very good. And for the usage, this is about to talk. This is to talk about the things in a room. In a house. So let's have this one. You're going to read, complete, match, point, and then say. Let's have number one. You have to write the answer here, honey. Okay? Here, here,
Yes.
here, 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 here. So that I can check if you know how to spell everything.
Here.
Okay, don't erase anything yet, honey. Don't delete anything yet. Okay. So now let's have number 1. For your answer, honey, you said there is a red. Please read.
There is a red window
Okay,
in the kitchen.
very good. 2. There is a green. Please read.
There is a green rock in the bedroom.
Very good. Also correct. Next. 3. Please read number 3. And you said it's A.
There is a yellow jar in the bathroom.
Very good. Next, we have
There
letter
is
C.
a blue clock in the living room.
Very good. All your answers are correct. Great job, honey. Now, let's have this one. I want you to... Okay. Let's have this activity, honey. Okay. Let's have this activity. You have to draw something. You have to draw something. Maybe a kitchen, maybe a living room with the things like a rug, door, window, stuff, etc. Okay? You have to only choose one place, one part of the house, and then choose a rug. Maybe you're going to put a door, a window, a clock, etc. Whoa.
Here.
Hey, very good. Great.
I don't draw.
What is this?
It's a bathroom.
This one?
It's a bedroom.
This?
It's a living room.
Very good. Great job, honey. Thank you so
And
much.
it's a kitchen.
Yeah.
And it's a kitchen.
Okay. Anyway, honey, we are going to continue with this page next time, okay? We're going to continue on page 28 next time. Look, since we don't have enough time.
7-6. It's 7-6.
Yes, it is already time. It's already 7-6 in Vietnamese time. So Teacher Shane has to say goodbye now. Thank you so much, Duke, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.